What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Nigel with another video of the Raw Maintainer. And today I'm here to change up some of the cosmetic looks of my door. Well, not really my door, but my hinges for my door and then my doorknob. So I painted this door white and then I painted this frame white too. And when I put it back on, I noticed a lot of white paint left over from whoever painted it before me. They didn't take the hinges off or the doorknobs off when they painted the frame in the door. And it's gold and I just really don't like it. So we're gonna change these up. Alright, some of the things I'm gonna be using today is I had a value pack of 12 Everbuilt door hinges. They're 3.5-inch door hinges. So we're gonna be putting them on. They're just all black. Well, it's actually like a bronze black, along with this doorknob, but it actually doesn't lock, so I might end up changing that again later. And then just a Milwaukee impact drill to help me get the screws out fast because I don't want to be here all day with a screwdriver. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to get these door hinges off. Got my Milwaukee screwdriver with just a regular Phillips head on it. And I'm probably going to start by taking the top two off and then leaving the middle one for last. I'm going to get my girlfriend to hold the door for me, and it's just going to be a lot easier with me trying to do it by myself. So let's get started. Actually, yes, I'll leave the little one in.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
So it don't be all awkward. You ready? Hold it for my So as you can see, as I was saying earlier, I know we didn't give you a close-up, but all these white paint marks right here from whoever tried to paint the door, with the hinges still connected to the frame. So we got the first 3 screws out from the frame. Now we're going to get these 3 screws out from each one of the hinges that's connected to the door. Just take these screws out. This one isn't that long, so just spin really quick. So once you get those 3 out, I'm just gonna pop this off, and then, yeah, I didn't mean to drop that, but whatever. Just pop those out, take them off, and then get ready to put your new ones on. Alright, I got my new hinges. This value bag actually came with a bunch of screws too, so we're gonna put the black screws in them. And I usually just like to start with the middle one first. Make sure you actually have your hinge the correct way, so that's why I moved my door over here, so I can make sure when I put it on here, it's actually gonna close. Just start by hand putting these on, finger tight, then do the rest with the drill. Oops, it'll help if I got my drill going the right way. And make sure that stays actually in the details while you're tightening it up. And that's pretty much it. Alright, we got all 3 of the hinges on to the door. Now I'm getting ready to lift the door and probably have my girlfriend slowly screw the rest of these screws in so we can connect the door and the hinges to the actual frame. as you can see, we got each one of the 3 door hinges fully secured. Just like I said, 3 screws to the door, 3 screws on the frame, and that's it. Okay, so we got our 3 door hinges in. Now it's time for the doorknob. Doorknob's really simple. You're pretty much gonna take out 1 screw, 2 screw, pull this apart. Actually, 1, 2, and then take out the actual piece that secures the door. Take these 2 screws out, and then pretty much pull these apart, and then take that out. And yep, all you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and get started on it real quick. And actually, let me see, because I think you can just pull these without even having to put the door hinge out. Yep, that one off, and then you need to... Okay, so it just was stuck on there because when I painted the door and I pressed it on there, it was a while. I let the paint dry, but I guess it got stuck to the back of this, so it was just a little hard to get off. Yours shouldn't be that hard to get off. So like I said earlier, you can just pull those 2 pieces apart and then slide the locking mechanism out. And for the new one, just same thing. You want to slide this piece without the screws in it first, and then slide this one right onto it. And they have a little keyway in there so they can align. They need to get them lined up. And take your 2 longest screws, get your doorknob in place, and start threading them through. Totally wrong. Okay, so you actually do have to put this mechanism in first because it's going to allow your doorknobs to, your one on the outside, slide in and stay in place, and then it allows you to line up your actual screw holes so you can get your screws in. And you pretty much want to take these, like I said, they're pretty long screws. You want to take these finger tight the whole way down, and then try to get your screwdriver in there at an angle, or just use an offset screwdriver if you got one to fully tighten them up. But yeah, once I get them all tightened up, I'll come back and show you the finished view. Okay guys, so I got the doorknob fully in. As you can see, it worked earlier. I had this on backwards. I solely found that out once I tried to close my door and it wouldn't retract in. But just flipped it around. This is the correct way. The angle or bevel edge needs to be on this side, so when it slides against your thing, it just slides right in. Cool. And I'm gonna come around here. This is pretty much just 2 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Take those screws out, put your next plate in, the new one, and screw them down, and that's it. You have new hinges and a new doorknob.